Alright, we're recording the sewer line here at 4816 Linden Avenue North. This is a shared line between 4816 and 807 North 49th Street. What we're looking at right now is the Seattle City Mainline sewer flowing underneath us there out on 49th. I'm going to pull back from this point and get a look at the line. You see we're at 98 feet 8 inches as we start coming back. We've cleaned this line for the last, well, almost 3 hours and got a lot of these large roots out of here. It is now set up to where we could line it. That is something we'd like to pursue. Making these roots permanently unable to come into this line any longer. It's a 6-inch diameter clay line. We've got a seam about every 2 feet. See these seams in the pipe? Every 2 feet or so. That is where the roots are coming in. The idea of the liner install is to eliminate all of those seams and make one long continuous pipe that doesn't allow roots to intrude. Coming back through PVC here, this is where the connection between the two lines occurs. So, shared line up to this point. Now we're coming back into the personal line of 4816. This is all PVC, so this has all been replaced or added in as new sometime along the lifespan of these townhomes. I'm guessing when they were put up. Go snag my locator, please, Becky. And there is our access point I made this from. This is a section where the 4 sewers all come together. To end the video there, we're going to do a little bit of locating. You're going to go over, hold on, stay there, because I'm coming up to meet you. Okay. Today you shall, my friend. Today you shall. All right. You don't need to be.
What?
Yeah, I don't think we're dropping off here, right? Because we're going south and then staying south, right?